Meal Prep Sunday has taken the time to understand our clients and what they need to reach their goals. We take this knowledge and have used it to design a service to fit the needs of people from all walks of life. To begin with, our meals are not one size fits all for our clients. We understand that everyone has different goals when they take on a new diet. For this reason, we have a fitness calculator that every client goes through to begin their service. The fitness calculator allows us to understand what your goals are and which meal plan will best get you to those goals. Once we have your physical information and your fitness goal, we can then portion your meals to assist in your journey. Along with making meals to help you reach your fitness goals, we also are sure to pay close attention to your allergens and any dislikes you may have. We allow customers to enter their given restrictions. If a certain meal does not fit within those restrictions, we will not send the meals. In addition to adding those restrictions, customers can also select the exact meals that they prefer from the weekly menu. The ability to choose meals assists in staying on track with your new diet because you will be getting the exact meals you want, reducing the chances of straying away from the meal plan. We want the meal plan to be as convenient as possible for you and your schedule. Our delivery system allows you to specify not only what address you want your meals, but also what time window would work best for you. We understand that everyone has different schedules and no one should have to change that schedule just to receive their delivery. Your delivery will always be fresh, whether you live in San Diego, Orange County, or Los Angeles. Due to our advanced packing technology, which removes the oxygen from inside the meals, the oxidization process is greatly slowed. This means your meals will taste as good on day one as they do at the end of the week. We ensure that the meals will be fresh upon delivery by calculating the amount of time for the delivery and packing the necessary amount of ice packs. Variety in meals is a very big reason people cannot meal prep for long periods of time. We tackle this problem by providing 15 unique meals every single week. This process requires an extensive research and development process to keep the menu fresh and exciting. Once our meals are delivered, they are also very easy and quick to enjoy. Since our meals are fresh and never frozen, and made to be stored in the refrigerator, it is as easy as popping the meals in the microwave for 2 to 4 minutes for a delicious, healthy meal. This being said, for the absolute best quality and best tasting meals, heating the meals on the stovetop is the best way to go. Having healthy, delicious meals is a big step towards reaching your fitness goals. But being able to pair that with a proven workout plan will accelerate your results. Our service provides a free 90-day workout plan along with every meal plan. We do this to show how dedicated we are to seeing our clients reach their goals. Meal Prep Sunday also takes great pride in the quality of our products. Having healthy meals is dependent not only on the ingredients, but where those ingredients come from. Stimulating the local economy is very important to us, and we try to source locally whenever possible. We are also sure to get organic products to ensure you are putting the best fuel into your body. Thank you for choosing Meal Prep Sunday, and see you in the next video.